Hi, this is Ted with today's message from the heart. I had kind of a crazy idea today. What would happen if you were to eliminate labels from your life? I'm not talking about labels on cans of soup or things like that, but labels that we use all the time to describe, to categorize people. We have nationality, race, religion, ethnic groups, state that you live in, town that you live in, subdivision you live in, neighborhoods. We use all these labels. I am this. I come from here. I am one of these. And we have all these names that we give ourselves and that we put on others to presuppose that we know them. Oh yes, he's a German, so I know what he's like. Oh, this is a Muslim, so this is what they do. And in doing that, we categorize things, but is that a unifying concept or is it really a divisive concept? Think about that for a minute. Think about all the conflicts that have been created simply because of labels. Oh, this person's an immigrant. Everything we do, there's so many ways that these labels are used to divide and create that conflict. Some of them are used consciously and deliberately. Others are just part of normal everyday life that we just assume. You know, we give an insect a name and then, okay, all cockroaches are bad. Oh, I hate mosquitoes. If we can go down, down, down as far as you want to. But what would happen if we eliminated those? And you try to describe yourself, and instead of saying, yes, my name is Ted, I'm a male, I'm an American, I'm this, I'm that. If you went beyond that and said, what am I? What do we all have in common? Eventually you would get that we are all basically energy beings, light beings that are part of the overall cosmos. We know that it's all about frequency. We know that at the cosmic and even the quantum physics level, we're all energy. So in that way, we're all connected. So instead of the labels being able to separate us, suppose we just recognize this as frequencies. And some frequencies we're more attracted to and more in line with than others. But that doesn't make other frequencies wrong or horrible or bad. And if you see this whole cosmic creation as being interconnected, like little nodes, but they're connected in your brain, then you start to see everything instead of separated, individual. You see them as a collective, part of this amazing creation that is existing on so many dimensions, so many levels, that we can't even begin to try to describe them with our little labels. So it may be totally impractical. It may seem like it's so far out, it's crazy. It may seem like there's no way it could ever be possible in our 3D world. But how about trying it? Why not give it a shot and just see if you could go for a day and say, instead of labeling everything I see, let me see beyond it. Let me try to feel the energy. Let me try to just experience that instead of labeling it. Or let me just try to get to know this person and sense who they are and really get to know them deeply rather than labeling them and just saying, oh, I already know them because everybody's like that comes from that country. Could be an interesting experience and an interesting experiment. It may be impossible, I don't know. But it may perhaps just open up a whole new world to you, a whole new way of envisioning the cosmos as this energetic love and light that's all interconnected. I know that we're connected, and I appreciate you connecting with me in this way. Thanks for joining us. This is Ted sending you love and light with messages from the heart. Thank you.